Today we have cooked palaya, bittergourd. Mix.
In Ilocano what?
Paria.
Tamil?
Pavakka.
Pavakka.
Pavarkai.
Pavarkai.
Paharkai.
Paharkai.
Nice flame, I can see. Rice. And then this one, like lubias. Lubias mixed bagong and then red chili. French beans. And here for me, this one, but I'm not sure this one I can eat full. This one is the tilapia fry.
Duterteng tilapia.
What?
Duterte.
Duterte one. Why?
Duterte because the tilapia has a big head.
Oh. Okay. What you're doing?
I mash the chili because it's ripe. Actually, this is my chili from my mini garden. So, because my husband na Indiano wants spicy. So, make it four. Then put with sa kanin niya. Ito ang aming breakfast. Bagoong. Ganyan.
Okay.
Ayan, tapos ito. Ayan, with egg. Tapos yung ampalaya. Maganda yung ampalaya at palinis ng tiyan. At saka, ayan, everyday pinapakain ko siya ng garlic kasi pampaano ng potassium yan. Kasi kailangan niya ng potassium kasi nagpupuyat siya. Ayan, kain na tayo. Kain na. Kain. Kain na.
Today the food is very nice, right? Okay. How is it?
I'm the one who cook.
No, okay, wait. After a long time we are taking the video. We have never put, and also because of some problems like mobile and issues. So that is the reason we cannot do. I like this one. But sometime
Allah.
only one chili.
Ado, marami. You need to speak Tagalog and Ilocano ga.
Mabalin.
Mabalin?
Mabalin means okay, right?
You tell Bombay. What is you always
I'm
tell?
not Mumbai. I'm not a North Indian. I'm an Indian.
South?
South. Whatever it is, Indian.
Yeah, you still Indian.
Indian. Because here, most of them they are telling if they see Indian or Mumbai like that.
Bombay.
Mumbai like that.
Boombi. Because
I don't know why. Here most I can see. In a lot of the persons you can see a lot of them from North Indians. Here also we see
How is
they're
it?
working, right? Okay, this food is very nice. See, this one very soft. The egg is. You scramble the egg, right?
yeah, scrambled and I mash some. It's not spicy. Oh, I put what?
I don't feel spicy.
Oh, you speak Tagalog, please. Try to speak Tagalog.
Awan nagasam. Awan
Haan.
nagasam.
Nagasang. In Tagalog, hindi manghang.
Hindi.
Mahanghang.
Mahanghang. Oh, that is spicy.
Not spicy. Mahanghang means spicy.
Oh, mahanghang. I don't know how to. No.
Yeah, it's okay. You're starting to learn.
Basit lang.
The amok. Allah, you need to
This one. Ato. Lubias. Let me know. If Nana sometimes just put one cook.
boil.
Little bit. Not too much cook.
Half boiled egg. Half boiled.
They are telling it is half cooked, but for me it is not half cooked. one cook, one fourth only. None I cook. It's very like crunchy, too much healthy. Same like that, fresh one. But Nana used to like eat like that, right? But that is very good, right?
Yeah, supposed to, but for you cannot. You want some more kuha ka pa bagoong. Ito oh.
Basta.
Basic lang. Konti lang. Bagoong na may suka. Sukang Ilocano. Yan.
Okay.
Oh, yan. Magaling na si Indiano. Ano yan? Bawang.
Bawang.
Tanggalin mo yung skin.
But bawang.
Naluto. See?
Oh.
It's mash.
Crunchy.
It's
Still.
okay.
But it was spicy. Need to cook. Okay. But this one I'm scared to eat. You know what?
You don't want to eat? I'll help.
I like, but too much bone sometimes. It will choke my. Very. But this kind of small fish can make curry. Very tasty. See? Still crunchy.
How is it the egg? This egg.
See here. See, very soft. You can see the flame still. It's very nice. But when you mix with this one, but I don't feel any spicy. The spicy needs to have. You need to put some more chili. Nice, but okay. Okay, guys. So Rosia also want to eat because she is taking the video. We never take the stick. So next time we will cook some nice dish. Hopefully next week we will cook some nice food and then we will put. I want to cook one time at least the Gourd effect because I never tried that one.
Here.
So yeah, I want to try that one. Okay. Hopefully we will do that one next week maybe. I'm not
Hopefully.
sure. Hopefully. So we will do that one, and if you have any concern like you want to put any videos, please share and comment and subscribe our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers. And thank you for watching and subscribe, and God bless you everyone.